welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a short and sweet one dedicated to KAB or KAB Cosmetics, also known as the Biermann's makeup line from Don't Be Tardy. So yeah, if you wanna see how they look, perform, swatches, etc., then definitely keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. You guys, 500. It's like around the freaking corner. Massive 500 subscriber giveaway. Hit that button because it's free and it's fun and I'm awesome and you're awesome. So be a part of the fam. And let's just get into it. Okay, so I wanted to just jump on here real quick because I've had these sitting in my to-do pile, and that is the KAB Cosmetics Lip Kits. You guys, I love the Biermann's. Like, I don't know, I just feel like we could all be BFFs, like, or I should be a part of the family. I love the show, I love Kim, like, she's literally my spirit animal. So when I saw that they had a makeup line that they were launching, I was so freaking excited, and obviously lips are my jam. I don't have anything on right now, so I'm looking kind of crazy. I actually purchased these myself. They were having a sale, buy one, get one free, and I was like, are you freaking kidding? Because these are $45 a pop, so I got two for the price of one. You can't freaking beat that. They always have really good sales going on, so you definitely have to keep a lookout. They arrived super fast, came with this cute little card. It just says, we're so excited that KAB is finally here. We have put our hearts into this for so long, couldn't be happier to share this with all of you. Ask, Believe, Receive, XO, Kim, Ari, Anna, and Brielle. So the kit that I originally wanted was glazed, and that is sold out and is like always sold out. So whenever that comes back in stock, I definitely want to get my hands on it. But I can still try out the formula. I did pick up the shades Sugar and Spice and Tiramisu. So they come in a cute little box like this. I like the box, I like the concept. I mean, I'm not gonna reuse this, so I'll probably end up just putting the individual components into my collection and tossing the box. Or maybe I'll display it because it is kind of cute. I like the reflective, kind of like gray and rose gold tones. Those are my jam. If you can't see, my whole house behind me is like grays and whatever. So you open it up and it says, people will stare, make it worth their while. And it literally is a complete lip kit. So you get your lip liner, your lip gloss, your lipstick, and then an actual sharpener, which is great because a lot of the times like universal sharpeners just don't always do the trick. So hopefully this guy is a good one. I think, so these retail for $45. I think if you priced everything out separately, you actually end up saving about, I think it's $5, $3 to $5, which whatever, I normally buy lip liners to match lipsticks anyways. So yeah, so this is the shade Sugar and Spice. So I will swatch everything on my hands first. The packaging on the lip liner kind of, aside from the cap, the pencil gives me like kind of MAC vibes, you know, with the colored tip. So I will swatch. So this is kind of like, they're definitely a very stiff, a more stiff formula. So that is the lip liner right here, almost kind of like a berry tone. So then this is the lip gloss component, again, gray packaging with the rose gold detailing. I will say there isn't a lot of weight to them. To the lipstick as well, so like how much is this individually? So the lipsticks alone are $18, which in my opinion is a higher end price point, and I would say I don't know if they feel that luxury. Like, I like the aesthetic, but I don't like the plastic. Like, I almost wish it had like that Too Faced kind of plasticky feel. So yeah, so that would probably be the only like negative that I'd have to say, is the packaging just doesn't feel as luxe like as it could. Like I feel like I could probably break this if I really wanted to. Anyways, so all of the shades have the name on the bottom. It has a thin dofa applicator. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. It smells amazing. Oh, this freaking lip gloss, you guys, that is my shade. So I'm going to also swatch the lipstick. Definitely feel creamy. So we have the lip gloss right there and then the lipstick on the side. The lipstick is really pink. Definitely way more pink undertones, whereas the lip gloss definitely has more peachy undertones. So we're just gonna get to applying and see how this goes. I just have chapstick on, so I'm just gonna wipe it off. Let me zoom you in. Get you all nice, close, and personal. Look at my crazy hair, you guys. It honestly reminds me of the Dose of Colors, one of my favorite lip liners from them. So like I said, the formula is definitely a stiffer formula, which I don't necessarily mind because it doesn't slip and slide. Like you're able to get really precise with it. So that is just the lip liner. I always just do kind of like the outer perimeter of my lips. And then I will go ahead and go in with the lipstick. This is what she looks like. This is what the lipstick looks like. It is definitely a very creamy matte. Definitely more berry undertone, like pinky undertone. I love the shade. I generally reach for more peachier nudes, so I'm excited to see how the gloss looks over top, but this is without it. We'll apply the gloss. Same awesome smell. Oh, the gloss I feel like almost even just smells better. So this is with the gloss. I almost feel like I'm looking a little washed out. My lights might be a little bit bright. So let's just get some different lighting so you can kind of see. My skin looks so bad, you guys. It's definitely, like I said, a more pinkier, it's definitely a more pinkier vibe, which I'm not necessarily used to, but we're gonna take a picture and I will insert it because sometimes the cameras can wash you out. Oh my God, you guys, I look cray. So I will insert that one. And then next, we are going to go in to swatching of the, which one is this? This is Tiramisu. Okay, so right off the bat, this lip liner is definitely more brown, already more up my speed. You guys, the matte formula is just so comfortable and like so creamy. So already I'm loving the tones of this kit. Way, way, way better. And then the gloss is actually more of a pinky shade, which kind of throws me off. Like I almost feel like I would want the peach gloss to go with this kit and this gloss to go with the other kit. But I'm sure they had reasoning behind why they did what they did. This is definitely like a true baby pink. So that is the gloss right there. So this right here is tiramisu and this is sugar and spice. So again, more berry, more peachy over here. So let me just wipe off what's on my lips. So like I said, these formulas are definitely much more stiff. Probably a little bit more stiff than the MAC. They're, like I said, isn't a bad thing. So that is the lip liner. Next, I'm going to go in with the lipstick. This one almost feels a little bit more sheer than the Tiramisu. A little less pigmented. A little less pigmented, but definitely more my speed, actually. So I'm gonna put the pink gloss on to humor what the lip kit comes with, but really I just wanna put the peach gloss on. But, so this is the lipstick. You guys, they literally smell like freaking buttercream icing. Like, I don't even know. Oh, I actually like it. Like, the pink definitely sheared out a little bit, so it isn't like as baby pink as I thought it was gonna be. So this is the Tiramisu Lip Kit. Honestly, this is definitely my favorite of the two. So yeah, let's talk about overall. I definitely think that they are normal priced products. I'll have to let you know how they wear. I like the color, I like the formula, I love how comfortable that they feel on the lips. I definitely see honestly, the Tiramisu lipstick and the sugar and spice gloss. I can see throwing these in my bags. I see them being like go-to shades for everyday wear. So if you haven't picked one up yet and you're thinking about it, I think you will like Tiramisu if you're more of like a peachy nudie kind of girl. If you like the more berry pink tones, definitely go with sugar and spice. Like I said, comfortable, super cute. Up close and personal. I'm excited. I'm excited to keep using them. I will definitely let you know in an updates video if they are, you know, colors that I'm reaching for. So yeah, that concludes it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a part of the fam here. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.